Organic India is a whole herb company. We respect the intelligence of nature and keep our herbal formulas as close to their original form as possible. The Vedic tradition speaks of the prana, or life force of all herbs, as a powerful tool for wellness.
It's something which moves you at a soul level. Just to see the fact that Mother Earth is being nurtured, the farmers, every part of the chain up to the end user, from the seed to the actual essence of the herb. We call it the prana. It is very, very, very alive.
While the chemical constituents of plants have been the focus of scientific research, further studies suggest that the microbiology of whole herbs could offer a subtle and potent therapeutic signature. We view every part of an herb as a valuable, energetic gift that is magnified when taken as a whole.
The rejuvenating, soothing, and healing powers of herbs and spices are known to all. These are the greatest gifts of Mother Nature. Organic India, one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of herbs and spices, believe that each of their products is one link in a chain of connectedness between Mother Nature, the farmers, and the customers. With a mission to promote healthy, conscious living, Organic India has been working with thousands of small-scale farmers in India to cultivate tens of thousands of acres of sustainable organic farmland. To help its farmers get better market prices for their produce and to improve their overall quality of life, the Organic India Farmer Producer Company Limited became a Fair Trade certified producer in 2013. 273 farmer members of Organic India Farmer Producer Company are Fair Trade certified producers. Being a Fair Trade certified producer, the small-scale producers here also receive a Fair Trade premium amount for their community development. The Farmer Core Committee identifies the needs of the farming communities and takes necessary decisions on the upcoming projects and utilization of premium funds through a process that is transparent and democratic.
फेयर ट्रेड कंपनी एक आई जो ऑर्गेनिक इंडिया से माल खरीदने लगी और हम लोग माल देते हैं उसको तो लगभग 15% प्रीमियम उनका जो है वो वापस आता है किसानों के हित के लिए। तो उस किसानों के हित के लिए जो पैसा आता है उसमें व्यक्ति विशेष को नहीं दिया जाता है, एक समूह बना करके उस समूह में लोगों को मदद दी जाती है।
Madan Mohan Maurya, a farmer, says that earlier water scarcity in the region affected their farming choices.
पानी की पहले हमको समस्या थी। पानी हम लोगों को पहले एक आध ट्यूबवेल था, अब पानी होने की भी दिक्कत होती थी। अगर बारिश नहीं हुई तो धान होता ही नहीं था।
The issue was discussed by farmers of the core committee, and together they decided to spend the premium on setting up tube wells in the area. Madan Mohan was supported with tube well through premium fund for helping him in irrigation.
जब से प्रीडियम वाल से हम लोग तुलसी का थोड़ा तरफ से मिल गया, ट्यूबवेल गड़ गया, हम लोगों को सुविधा हो गई। अब बहुत बढ़िया खेती कर रहे हैं।
Encouraged by Organic India, Madan Mohan has been cultivating tulsi, which is far more profitable and is planning to extend it to other plots of land. Water is just one of the critical elements to ensure agricultural productivity. The fertility of the soil is equally important to ensure good yield. The farmers in the region mutually decided to utilize the premium fund for soil fertility management training, a step to improve their knowledge as well as their yield. Ranjana Maurya, a farmer for 2 decades, says that she has benefited from the soil fertility management training such as denture and preparation of organic compost.
तुलसी को बाल कर और उसको एक जगह इकट्ठा करो, फिर गोबर लाकर उस पर रख दो और जितने हमारे पास घास भूसा खरपतवार है सब उसी पे रखकर गोबर का लेप हम चढ़ा देते हैं। 60 दिन में वो तुलसी की लकड़ी जो होती है मोटी मोटी वो सब सड़ जाती है और फिर उसके बाद उसको खेत में छींट देते हैं। छींटने के बाद खेत ट्रैक्टर से जुताई कर देते हैं और फिर मट्टी की उर्वरकता अधिक हो जाती है।
Ranjana, who's also a mother of 5 children, says that her tulsi yield is much better and she hopes to get better profits from the same.
पूरा खेत तुलसी का खेती करने के बाद कम से कम हम लोग का 60-70 हजार आ जाता है। 5 बच्चे हैं तो उन लोग का फीस है किसी का, तो किसी का कुछ है, तो इसी प्रीमियम के पैसे से हम लोग अधिक करके यही काम करते हैं।
Her husband Arjun has invented a tulsi processing machine through which she is able to separate the leaves from the plant and sell it to the company. Besides these initiatives, the Premium Fund has also found its use in several other community welfare projects like provision of safe drinking water through hand pumps. Urmila Maurya, a resident of the village, says that she had to travel 2 kilometers to collect water earlier.
हम लोगों को ये हैंड पंप जो है प्रीमियम के माध्यम से मिला। जब से इस हैंड पंप का पानी पीने लगे तब से शरीर में खुजलाहट नहीं होती, पेट की समस्या मतलब नहीं होती और शुद्ध पानी भी मिलता है, अच्छा भी होता है पानी पीने में भी।
The farmers in the region are also environmentally conscious these days. Sanjeev Prajapati and his family have been a part of tree plantation drive that was initiated through Premium Fund.
यहाँ पैदा हुए तो हम जब देखे तो हमारे अगल बगल बहुत सारे जंगल थे और उन जंगलों का कटाव बहुत तेज़ी से हुआ क्योंकि खेती की कमी हो रही थी। ये सोचा गया कि भाई हम लोग कुछ पौधे लगाएं, पेड़ लगाएं और उसी के तरफ एक कदम बढ़ाते हुए हम लोग प्रीमियम के पैसे से लोगों में पेड़ वितरण किए और वह पेड़ को लगवाया गया ताकि हम तो जो ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं ले ही रहे हैं, हम जो उपयोग कर रहे हैं कर ही रहे हैं, हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी को भी कोई समस्या पेड़ों से न हो, ऑक्सीजन की कमी न होने पाए।
The producers of Organic India continue to plan and make investments of the Fair Trade Premium to make necessary improvements in the community, be it through organizing trainings or allocating resources to enhance livelihood and promote their socio-economic development. It's the beginning of a new revolution.